In this video, you will learn how to activate the Atlas credit card, locate the new Atlas credit card. Make sure you've received the physical card by mail and check that your name and card details are all correct. Visit the Atlas credit card activation website, go to the official Atlas credit card activation page listed on the sticker or paperwork that came with your card. Log in and create an online account. Sign in with existing Atlas credit card account to create one using your card number, name or other verification details. Enter your card information. Provide your card number, such as expiration date, CVV number and more, or any other required identification information. Confirm. You may need to verify your identity through a one-time password or email confirmation, or even a security question. Complete activation and sign in with your card. Once confirmed, your card is ready to be used. Sign the back of your card and safely store your PIN. Now you know how to activate your Atlas credit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.